500 square feet. That is smaller than most people's living rooms. And yet, right now in 2026, thousands of people are ditching their mortgages, downsizing their stress, and building tiny barndominiums with wraparound porches that look absolutely stunning, cost a fraction of a traditional home, and give them a lifestyle most people only dream about. But here is the part nobody is talking about honestly. There are some very real surprises hiding inside those low price tags you keep seeing online, and if you go in without knowing them, they will hit your wallet hard. Today I am laying it all out, the real costs, the real square footage breakdown, the wraparound porch details, and the honest truth about whether 500 square feet actually works for full-time living. Stay until the end because the cost comparison I walk you through will completely change how you look at tiny home building options in 2026. If you are new here and this kind of no-fluff alternative housing content is what you have been looking for, hit subscribe right now and turn on notifications. We drop honest, research-backed content on barndominiums and alternative housing every week. Now let's get into it. What exactly is a tiny barndominium with wraparound porch? Before we talk numbers, let's make sure we are all on the same page about what we are building here. A tiny barndominium is a metal frame or post-frame structure built to residential standards, fully insulated, fully finished inside, and designed for comfortable full-time living. At 500 square feet of interior living space, you are looking at a very intentional, very efficient home. Now add a wraparound porch and the whole picture changes. That porch is not just decoration. It extends your usable living space dramatically. A 6-foot wraparound porch on a 20 by 25 footprint adds roughly 270 square feet of covered outdoor living. Suddenly your effective living space jumps from 500 square feet to nearly 770 square feet, and you paid a fraction of what it would cost to enclose that space. The signature features of these builds include vertical metal siding, a metal gable or hip roof, large windows that flood the interior with natural light, extended roof overhangs that shelter the porch, and 12 to 14-foot ceilings inside that make the space feel significantly bigger than the square footage suggests. The open concept layout puts the kitchen, dining, and living area in one unified space, with a private bedroom and bathroom tucked toward the back. Some builders add a sleeping loft above for additional space without increasing the footprint. This design works beautifully for solo living, couples, weekend retreats, vacation rentals, guest houses, or anyone ready to live intentionally with fewer square feet and a much smaller monthly overhead. The real cost breakdown for 2026. All right, this is the section you came for. Let me give you honest 2026 numbers. No sugarcoating. According to current data, barndominium construction costs $70 to $150 per square foot in 2026, depending on finish level and location. For a tiny 500 square foot build, that looks like this. Shell and structure. A barndominium kit for a 500 square foot building runs approximately $10,000 to $17,500 for materials only, at $20 to $35 per square foot. This covers the steel frame, roof, exterior walls, and basic end walls. Assembly of the shell adds another $3,500 to $6,000 if you hire contractors. Foundation. A concrete slab for 500 square feet costs approximately $3,000 to $7,000 depending on your region, soil conditions, and slab thickness. In expansive clay soils common in Texas and Oklahoma, you may need post-tension cables and deeper perimeter beams, which pushes cost up by $1,000 to $2,000. Wraparound porch. This is where a lot of tiny barndominium budgets get surprised. A properly built wraparound porch with metal roof, wood or composite decking, and posts costs $12,000 to $22,000 for the size we are discussing. Per square foot, covered porch construction runs $40 to $75. It is not cheap, but the lifestyle return is enormous. Interior finishing. This is the big one. Interior finishing represents 50 to 65% of your total project cost. For 500 square feet at a basic to mid-range level, here is the honest breakdown. Spray foam insulation, $3,000 to $5,500. This is not optional on a metal building. Without proper insulation, you will have condensation, extreme temperature swings, and a structure that costs a fortune to heat and cool. Electrical, $4,500 to $7,000 for a full residential electrical system including panel, outlets, switches, and fixtures. Plumbing, $6,000 to $10,000 including rough-in, fixtures, water heater, and connections. HVAC, $4,000 to $8,000 for a mini-split system, which is the most efficient option for a small metal building. Interior framing and drywall, $4,000 to $7,000. Flooring, $2,500 to $5,000 depending on material choice. Kitchen, $8,000 to $18,000 ranging from builder grade to mid-range finishes. Bathroom, $6,000 to $12,000 for a full bath with quality fixtures. Doors, windows, trim, and paint, $5,000 to $9,000. Permits and plans, $1,800 to $4,000. Never skip this. Building without permits creates massive problems when you try to sell or finance. Site work, well, and septic. If you are on rural land, budget $15,000 to $30,000 for well drilling at $5,000 to $15,000, septic system at $10,000 to $20,000, and basic grading. Total cost summary for a 500 square feet tiny barndominium with wraparound porch. Shell and kit, $13,500 to $23,500. Foundation, $3,000 to $7,000. Wraparound porch, $12,000 to $22,000. Interior finishing, $43,000 to $81,500. Permits and plans, $1,800 to $4,000. Site work, well, and septic, $15,000 to $30,000. Grand total, $88,300 to $168,000. The midpoint of that range lands right around $128,000 for a fully finished, move-in ready tiny barndominium with a wraparound porch on a prepared rural lot. Compare that to the national average for a traditional small home at $150,000 to $250,000 for a similar footprint, and you are saving $22,000 to $82,000 while getting a more durable, lower-maintenance structure. If you DIY the shell assembly and do some of your own interior finishing, you can realistically bring the total down to $75,000 to $95,000. That is genuinely life-changing territory for people who want out of the rent trap. What do you actually get for 500 square feet? Let's talk about livability because this matters. At 500 square feet, you need smart design to make it work. Here is what a well-designed floor plan looks like. The living and dining area takes up approximately 180 square feet in an open concept layout. The kitchen occupies roughly 80 square feet with an island or peninsula that doubles as dining seating. The primary bedroom sits at about 120 square feet, which comfortably fits a queen or king bed. The bathroom takes 80 square feet and can include a full-size shower, double vanity, and laundry nook. A small entry or mudroom gets 40 square feet. The ceiling height is the secret weapon. At 12 to 14 feet, this space feels nothing like a cramped tiny house. You have volume, natural light from well-placed windows, and an open concept design that makes every square foot work hard. Then you step out onto that wraparound porch and your world expands. Morning coffee on the east side, shade on the west side in the afternoon, stargazing from any corner at night. For rural living especially, this porch becomes your primary living space for large portions of the year. The honest pros of a 500 square feet tiny barndominium. Low total cost is the headline. Under $170,000 fully turnkey, including site work, is a legitimate path to outright home ownership for people who thought owning a home was out of reach. Low monthly overhead changes your financial life. Property taxes on a small rural property are minimal. Utility costs for 500 square feet of well-insulated metal building are remarkably low. People report electric bills of $40 to $80 per month in mild climates. Fast construction timeline means you are not stuck in a build for years. The shell goes up in days. A complete build can be finished in 3 to 5 months from groundbreak to move in. Durability that lasts generations is built into the steel frame. Termite-proof, rot-proof, fire-resistant, and capable of handling extreme weather. You are not rebuilding this in 25 years. The wraparound porch adds more livable space per dollar than any other feature you can add. It is outdoor living, covered storage, curb appeal, and lifestyle all in one investment. Rental income potential is significant. A well-finished tiny barndominium with wraparound porch in the right rural location generates $900 to $1,800 per month as a long-term rental or $800 to $2,000 per week on short-term rental platforms. Minimized environmental footprint appeals to a growing number of buyers and builders. Smaller space, less energy, less material, less waste. The honest cons you need to know. Storage is a constant challenge at 500 square feet. You must be intentional about every item you own. Built-in storage, loft space, and porch storage solutions become essential. The wraparound porch cost surprises most people. When they see online estimates of $60,000 to $80,000 for a tiny barndominium, that rarely includes a properly built wraparound porch. Add $12,000 to $22,000 to every quote you see, and you get the real number. Financing is harder than traditional home loans. Most conventional lenders do not easily finance barndominiums, particularly small ones. Expect to need a construction loan, a portfolio lender, or to build in cash and refinance when finished. Interest rates on construction loans in 2026 are running 7.5 to 9.5%, which adds significantly to your carrying costs during the build. Resale market is limited. In suburban markets, a 500 square foot metal building on a rural lot will not appeal to the broadest buyer pool. Rural areas with growing demand for alternative housing offer better resale prospects. Living adjustment is real. If you are coming from 1,500 or 2,000 square feet, the transition requires genuine lifestyle change. Clutter becomes impossible to ignore. Entertaining indoors is limited to small groups. Couples need to genuinely discuss and agree on the space before committing. Zoning and code compliance must be verified before you buy land or order a kit. Some counties have minimum square footage requirements for residential buildings. Others restrict metal structures in certain zones. A 30-minute call to your local building department before you spend $1 is the most important step in this entire process. Is a 500 square feet tiny barndominium right for you? This works beautifully for people who are done with oversized spaces they do not need, people prioritizing financial freedom over square footage, remote workers who value location flexibility, retirees looking to simplify without sacrificing quality, people who want a weekend or vacation property, short-term rental investors looking for unique properties, and people who want outright home ownership without a 30-year mortgage. This is probably not the right fit if you have children at home, regularly work from home and need a dedicated office, frequently host family or guests, or if your lifestyle requires significant storage for equipment, collections, or hobby materials. Here is the honest bottom line. A 500 square foot tiny barndominium with a wraparound porch built to a mid-range finish in 2026 will cost you approximately $100,000 to $140,000 on a prepared rural lot. That number gets you a permanent, code-compliant, durable, beautiful home that costs almost nothing to maintain and very little to operate month to month. Is it for everyone? Absolutely not. But for the right person, this might be the smartest financial decision of your life. The wraparound porch takes what could feel like a cramped box and turns it into a lifestyle. And in an era where the average American is spending 30 to 40% of their income on housing, there is something genuinely powerful about owning your home outright and having that money stay in your pocket. If you found this breakdown valuable, do me a favor and hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need honest information like this. Subscribe if you want more real-world breakdowns on alternative housing, barndominiums, and smart building decisions. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I will answer every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.